FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So long story short, this was my first ever handmade doll on this channel as you can see, and this video is the most viewed video on my channel and it has crossed 4+ million views right now. So today I'm gonna transform this into an all new complete doll as you can see the before and the after. So this is the doll which I'm gonna transform her into. So it's just gonna take some few moments and it is done. So guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's go. So to start with this video, we have to bring our old doll. Ta-da! This is it. So as you can see, this is how simple and beautiful, elegant she looks right now. But we are gonna transform her into that green colored doll. So what you have to do is that you have to take this doll and just peel off all the accessories, clothings and anything which she has on herself. We are gonna give this doll a beautiful and very luxurious look. So for that, over here I'll just take off all the clothings and the earrings and the accessories which she has on right now. So this is a bottle doll which I made on my channel, and this was my first ever doll videos. After that I made a lot of dolls and you can go and check all of that out on my channel. I also have a separate playlist for that, so you can go and check that out as well. Now what I'll do is that I'll just take my paper clay and I'll just smoothen out the edges and put some more on it. Once that is done, I'll paint my doll again to give it a fresh look. So just to give the makeover, we have to do these. Once it's done, I'll also paint the hands, and these are some white gloves. Then I'll paint the facial expressions as well. Okay, so after doing that, after it gets dried, I'll just take this beautiful fabric, and it's green in color with some golden beads on top of it, and it looks very pretty and stunning. So I'll take this one for the top of the gown. I'll just cut it slightly and then put it over here on the front side. So now I'll just take this top on the doll. Once it's done, now let's make the base of the gown. So as you can see, this is another shade of green color, not very different but slightly similar to the green color I took earlier, and this will be the doll base for the gown. So now I'll take these 3 stripes of the fabric, and as you can see, this is how my design will go. Now I'll take a needle and thread and I'll make a ruffle of this fabric. So I'll continue it all over through, and once that is done, I'll just pull out the thread and I'll get this ruffle. So now I'll just open this ruffle slightly and measure the fabric for the base. Once that is done, I'll tie a knot and secure it in its place. So now once this ruffle is properly made, as you can see, this is how it looks. I'll make the second one and the third one for the middle as well, just using the same process. Once that is done, I'll just keep it on top of this fabric, all the 3 layers. After just applying all of these, I'll just use my needle and thread and sew it out on the fabric all over through. Then making a ruffle over here as well. Now I'll take my doll and I'll just make her wear this gown. Okay, so this is how she looks. Now let's just use the needle and thread and pull out the axis and then sew it on the spot just to secure it in its place. So now I've taken this golden fabric and I've taken some cutouts also out of it. I'll stick this cutout on the belt and then over here on the shoulder as well. So this will be the off-shoulder gown, and golden color will just make the enhancement more easy and beautiful. Then I'll give some side accessories for the head, and once that is done I'll just take it on the gloves as well, put some earrings, and ta-da! This is how the doll has been transformed, and it looks completely different and new and very beautiful. So guys, 2 years back I made this doll on my channel, and this was first ever handmade doll on my channel here. So I've just decided to transform this today because it has crossed 4+ million views. So you guys absolutely love this doll, so I decided just to give her a new and complete different makeover. So guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.